Hello everyone, 5 Minute Trader here today. We spend on this channel 5 minutes a day trying to find some trades and tracking the trades that we have on to see how we're doing. I'm right here in Tasty Trade. If you want to sign up, there's a link down here wherever the description is. Great way to support the channel. Let's get moving here. I can immediately see there's a bunch of green on the screen. It's kind of late in the day today. It's March 5th. 2025. It's 2:30 p.m. I typically like to try and do some trading in the morning, but one of the origins of this channel is I don't have a ton of time to trade every day. I've tried to put on like at least one trade a day. I got a bunch of family dynamics and work and things like that, and a bunch of kiddo doctor appointments this morning, so didn't have a ton of time. But let's jump right in. We'll do the watch list first, and then we'll see. I'll see how my trades are doing. So I'm going to sort my ETF watch list by percentage changed, and I can see here that USO oil is down a bunch. Didn't I open some oil yesterday? Yep, I did, but I might open some more today based on that. TLT down a scooch, not much, but we got some big up movers today. GDX. Let's take a look at these. GDXJ. So I've got some positions on in there. So the movement isn't up enough that I would put some call spreads on there. Let's look at EM. Same. Moved up, but not enough to put call spreads on. Same in EWZ. Same way. Yeah, there's some big up moves, but it's just they're not getting anywhere near their tops or anything like that. So I wouldn't be comfortable. Well, maybe UNG, though. I looked at UNG yesterday, and it's just not. Although we've got some new strikes in here, there's just not a lot of. There's not a lot of money in it. So if I were to do a call spread from, say, the 30, well, I'm gonna need to do at least five. So I can't even do a $5 call spread, even starting. There, and look how wide these markets are. So it's just not enough in there to do a call spread in UNG, which is kind of a bummer, but that's kind of the way it is. Let's look at FXE. Wow, look at that big jump up in FXE. Let's take a look at the call spreads in there. So if we did like again, these markets are too wide. Look, 0 to $1, like $1 wide markets. It's not liquid enough to trade. Like the problem with low liquidity is if it's a big move happens and I want to get out, I'm not going to be able to very easily because there's not a lot of selling going on, buying and selling going on, I should say. Okay, so I don't think. Well, no. Let's check out USO quick. So USO, let's see. I opened yesterday at the 68. The break even is 66.5. So let's see if I can add to that position and get a better break even. So I'm looking for a break even lower than 66.5. Let's check out this 30 delta. That's going for $1.30. So yeah, that's a better break even. So I'm going to go ahead and put that one on. So that's so it's 3.5 today. 3.5 2025, and I'm going to put on USO at the, where was it? The 67 strike, and it's $1.33. 67, $1.33. So that's going to put my break even. Yeah, right. Let's just call it 65.50, just to kind of round it up. And then that's in April. We've got a decent sort of setup going here now. I've got some nice underlines that aren't correlated to each other, so it's starting to feel pretty good. Let's run through and check where I'm at in terms of productivity. So I'm just going to put USO on, which is great. Let's look at GDXJ. Way out, my friend. So GDXJ, we've got the 46 and the 45 on right now. So that 46 is going for $73 right now, and the 45 is going for 55. So let's put that in there. And then we got EWZ. That was the 23. Yep, so the 23 is going for $31 right now. EEM, let's see where we're at there. The 41 point. Ooh, look how far out of the money that is right now. That's doing pretty good. So that's at 30. IWM, I got the 203 and the 194 in IWM. Let's see how those are doing. I was hurting on the 203 yesterday. It's at 446 now. So it's come down quite a bit, 446. But still down a little bit. And then I got the 190. I put the 194 in yesterday. I mean, that thing's killer right now. Look how it's way, way out of the money. Not at one standard deviation yet, though, right? Like, so it's got a movement to go before I like feel really, really good about it. But 241, feeling pretty good about that one. And then I got USO at 67 and 68. So let's take a look there. Oops, wrong expiration. USO 67's at 129. So that's doing great. And then the 68 is at 166. So let's see where we're at here so far. And we're good. We're up. Way. So remember yesterday I was down. Today back up again, but not going and testing near any break evens right now. I've got what do we got? We got 43 days to go in this expiration, so we're quite a ways out yet. So we'll see how it goes. But thanks for watching. USO is the one I'm putting on puts today, and doing great on all the other positions. I'll talk to you tomorrow.